Hi, good afternoon. In today's lesson we're going to show you how to boil a kettle. If you just like to watch carefully, what you need for this exercise is yourself, which is me, and a kettle located there. Now to boil a kettle you have to press the switch. On my particular kettle it's the switch on top. You press this switch down. First of all, which was a trick, you must make sure that the switch is turned on at the wall. There you go. Now on my particular kettle you get a lovely orange light there. So let's just watch the kettle boil. That, my friends, is how to boil a kettle, which also puts paid to the theory that a watched kettle never boils because we've just done it. Thank you. Goodbye.